Okay, adinan aton DepEd Secretary, mabot na Minarog Integrated School. Secretary
Province of Samar,
Sani Angara.
Governor Sari Angkan.
Aton Principal ang Minarog Integrated School, Madam Sol Palacio. Adigyapan naton Gobernador ang Samar Province, Honorable Shari Antan. Kaupo na naton Division Superintendent ang DepEd Samar Division, Sir Moises Labian.
As we unfold the coming beginnings in the next days of the students, the learners, teachers, and the community of Minarog, Paranas, Samar, we are grateful once more to be graced by our very own Secretary of the Department of Education, Honorable Sani Angara, the Undersecretaries Peter Rivera and Tiger Vilayvar,
Naton Barangay Captain ang Minarog,
Province of Samar, the Honorable to do the honors of cutting the ribbon and handing in the key of ownership of this.
Naton Kapitan Dede Minarog, Kapitan Bernardo Pabua.
This is the symbolic ribbon cutting and the handing in of ownership of. Ladies and gentlemen, ribbon has been officially cut. This time we would like to request our leaders to please hand in the key of blouse. A resounding applause, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, please take the comfort of your seats. I'd like to invite all our guests, the Honorable Secretary, Undersecretaries, our dear Governor, Regional Director, our Superintendent, the District Supervisor, and the school head. Please take the comfort of the chairs reserved for you.
Hello.